Hello. Let's continue the company preparation series. In the first lecture, I have covered the Capgemini 5 question. Now, in this lecture, I will cover all types of number. Actual exam question, कोई random question नहीं है, actual interview question जिसमें आया था. So, all types of number actually based on the loop concept. So, how many type of number like in this lecture, I will cover prime number, strong number, strong, Armstrong, palindrome, palindrome, and perfect number. And there's be like one number Harshad number also. So I'll cover all the types of number in this lecture, and it is important. It can come प्रीवियसली इसका पहले कैपजेमिनी में आया था, कॉग्निजेंट में ऐसे तुम्हारा टीसीएस में भी बहुत आता है और इंटरव्यू में बहुत पूछता है. मास रिकॉर्डर, इन मास रिकॉर्डर it is one of the most important topic. It will ask like how to write code of prime number, Armstrong number. Armstrong number actually Accenture 2024 में आया था, तो बहुत important है. Too much important this topic. Prime, strong, Armstrong, Palindrome, perfect, Harshad. I'll explain this video one by one. First, start prime number. I'll teach you the logic and I will write the code also, pseudocode. You can convert the pseudocode easily. Understand always the logic properly. First, prime number. Actually, what does mean prime number? We- First, you need to know what actually prime number. Prime number is a number which has. Is there like too many definition you can find? But I'll tell first definition, which has which has maximum or exactly. You can say exactly two divisor. Divisor. Two divisor means like like 6 can be divided by 1, 2, 3, and also 6. So how many divisor? 4. But like you can example 5. 5 divisor 1 and 5. So how many divisor? Actually 2. But 1 divisor only 1. So how many divisor? 1. Or you can set the number which divisible by itself and 1. So it is divisible by itself, 5 divisible by 5 and 1. So that is the prime number. Or can't be more than 2 divis 2. And smallest prime number is smallest prime number is 2 prime number. So so in the basically in previous year Capgemini asks like find or check prime number. They will given one number n equal to suppose any number n equal to 67, and you need to check it is prime or not. And in TCS interview also asked in 2024 what is prime number and write the code of the prime number in interview for the digital package. Just imagine this is like 7 LPA package. So you must know the prime number. First, understand what is prime number. Prime number is a number which is exactly two divisible, or you can say who is divisible by one and itself and itself. And lowest prime number is 2. So if I give any number, first think brute force. Then I'll show you optimal also. First thing any number n equal to 67. How can define it is prime or not? You need to check if number is divisible by any number. It is not possible 67 divisible by 68. So any number mean 1 also divisible and 66 also divisible. But between 1 to 67, is there any number which can divide by 67? If yes, if yes, अगर कोई भी नंबर बिटवीन 1 टू 67 का अंदर कोई भी नंबर अगर 67 को डिवाइड किया तो प्राइम नंबर पॉसिबल है? पॉसिबल नहीं. तो एग्जांपल लेते हैं, एक एग्जांपल 33 और लेते हैं 60 49. Okay. It is divisible by 2? No. Divisible by 3? No. Divisible by 4? No. The 1 to I'll check 2 to 48 or max 2 to 48 check. Is there any number divisible by this number 2 to 48 but 49 actual divisible? 2 divisible no, 3 divisible no, 40 divisible no, 6 divisible no, 7 divisible yes. One number divisible that's mean it is not prime number. So my logic I'll check I equal to from the 2 and I goes to the last number n I plus plus. I'll check if any number is divisible. If divisible mean the remainder is 0. If the number is n modulo I equal to 0? If yes, what does mean? It's mean it is divisible by another number, because 1 itself divisible and the 9 itself divisible. Between 1 to 9, check 1 to 9 means 2 to less than n. If there is a number, any number divisible by 2 to n, then it will not be prime number. So I return false. Return false. Okay. If not divisible, then out of for loop I will return true. Return true. And you can optimize also. The time constant of this is big of n. So I'll write the code first. Then I'll show optimization version code also. Question 1. Prime number. First, one number input. Input a number. And for I equal to 0, I less than n. Or you can write any loop, whatever you want for or any loop. If n modulo I equal to 0, that's mean it is not prime number. Actually, it is divisible, not 0. Sorry. It is starting from the 2. Or you can say bool return true. So return false. It is not prime number. If return true. But there's one condition, if number less than 1. If n less than equal to 1, then it is also false. Return false. Just return the false. Because 1 not prime number, and from the 2 I will start. Is that can be optimized? You can optimize the time complexity. There's a one logic, like if you check prime number n equal to, so any number 1, 2, 9. Just root of 1 to 9, how much actually? 11 square, 11 into 11, 1 to 1. So maximum 12. Just take 1 to 12. Is any number divided by this number between 1 to 12, sorry, 2 to 12. Because 1 always divisible by any number always divisible by 1. So check 2 to 12. So between any number, if divisible, then it is not prime number. So it is like aptitude, like actually a shortcut tree. It is aptitude shortcut tree. So you can modify directly. Here you can write less than equal to I into I less than equal. It is shortcut. So the time constant become root n tc. So now tc become root n. You should know all the algorithm root n. So first question done, the prime number. Next second question. Question 2. Question 2 strong number. I'll teach one by one every number. Don't worry. But you should know all type of number. It is important for exam. So first, you should know the definition. Actually, what does mean strong number? In many question, or you can see they will explain. और कुछ कुछ क्वेश्चन में एक्सप्लेन कर भी सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते, तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए स्ट्रॉन्ग नंबर एक्चुअली क्या है. तो स्ट्रॉन्ग नंबर लाइक आई टेक वन एग्जांपल लाइक 144. Okay, so take every digit, factorial of every digit and sum, like factorial of 5 plus factorial of 4 plus factorial of 1, and 5 factorial how much? 120. 4 factorial how much? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, 24, and 1 factorial 1, and check sum 144. The original number is 144 and the resultant also 144. Both are equal. If equal, then strong number, otherwise it is not a strong number. So you got the definition, prime number, the strong number definition. You need to find factorial, find factorial of each digit, each factorial of each digit or every digit, and sum, plus and do sum. And you need to check if the sum equal to my number, the original or whatever the input taking. If yes, then it is prime number, sorry, strong, otherwise else not. So find factorial plus each digit of factor. I need to take each digit, like if n equal to 145. First I need to take the 5 digit. How can I take the digit? Like 145, if you take divide by 10, so how much? You can 1 10 4 5. divided 40, 40, the remainder is 5. It is the last remainder. You can n modulo 10. So if you do n modulo 10, the remainder will be 5, the last digit. Once this digit I get the digit, I need to find the factorial. And the factorial code I have already taught in the class. Factorial is nothing, just you need to one variable fact. Factorial means 5 factorials mean what does mean? 5 factorial means multiply 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 into 5, just multiply. So how can do it? Like there's a one variable, you can say I equal to 1, 2, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. I equal to 1, 2, I less than how much? 5. That's mean digit or digit up to and I plus plus and this multiply I. And there is a one variable you can take fact equal to multiply into I. So it will be multiply. So once you have done the factorial, now you need to add the sum. So it is done. So I'll write the logic now. So logic is too easy. Question 2, a strong number. You should know the definition actually. Definition, if you know definition properly, then you can write easily. There's a one number you can take input number. I'm writing one extra variable. Original number equal to n I'm storing. I'll explain. Because I need to take every digit. Once done the like 5 done. I need to cancel out the 5. How can I cancel 1 for 5? I need to divide by 10. So how much? 140.4 divide. So it is like point, it will not take integer, so 14. So I need to cancel, then I will take 4 and then do the same things factorial, then need to be added, then cancel the 4, then 1. I need to do same thing and then cancel the 1. So n becomes 0. So I lost, basically I have lost the original value 144. That is the reason I am taking one extra variable to store the original value. While you can write any loop, but I'll say better to write and I'm getting the digit. This is equal to n modulo 10. Once getting the digit, now find the factorial. Step 2 factorial. Find factorial of the digit. And factorial is too easy to find. There's a one variable. You can name any variable and you can write for loop, while loop, whatever you want. I equal to 1 while I less than equal to digit fact into equal to I and I plus plus. And there's a one sum. I need to do sum for each. Sum equal to 0, assigned by 0, and added the sum plus equal to fact. And once done the one digit, I need to multiply divide by 10. Now check if sum equal to org, because I have in the org I have the actual number. If it is true, then return true, else return false. Or you can simply return direct return sum equal to org. If it is true, then it will be return true, otherwise it will false. So that is a strong number. Time complexity, you can see this is log n and this is maximum n or number. 10 log n you can say. Next number. So I have done two number now. Perfect number. First you should know the difference. If you understand, just comment down. If you need more video, अगर और भी वीडियो चाहिए कंपनी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन और एनीथिंग तो कमेंट में लिख देना अगर कुछ समझ if you have any doubt you can write in a comment. Perfect number. Next, I'll take one example of perfect number like 6. 6 are divisor 1, 2 and 3 proper divisor. 6 also can be divided by 6. I'll not take. Now added the divisor. Divisor mean 6 divisible by 1, yes. 6 divisible by 2, yes. 6 divisible by 3, yes. Now added 1 plus 2 plus 3, how much? 6. So it is total number is coming 6, original number 6. So it is perfect number. I'll take another one example 28. It is always be divisible 1 and 2, yes, 2 is divisible. 4, yes. 7, yes. 14, yes, divisible. Now add it 28 also divisible, but I'll not take this one. If I take, because any number can be divisible 1 and itself it 1 plus n always greater than that number. Ends mean this number. So I'll need take the last one itself. So added all the proper divisor. You can find 7 4. This is 7. This is also 7. 7 7 14. 14 plus 14 28. The sum of divisor equal to original number. So you can say sum of divisor. Sum of proper divisor. Proper divisor equal to equal to equal to that number in or the original number. If yes, then it is perfect number, otherwise not. So that is the definition. Type how you can get, like I'm taking example 28. So I need to check first one, any number can be divisible one. So I am taking someone, I need to check divisible 2 to that number, or you can say 2 to n by 2. Why n by 2? The maximum डिविज कोई भी नंबर को मैक्सिमम कौन सा नंबर से डिवीजन हो सकते हैं, उसका आधा से ज्यादा तो इससे नहीं होगा, तो मैक्सिमम डिवीजन लाइक इसको मैक्सिमम 40 डिवीजन कर सकते हैं, भाई 50 नहीं होगा, ये 15 इंटू 30, तो मैक्सिमम 2 मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो नहीं पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो मैक्सिमम डिवीजन ऑलवेज बाय n by 2. I'll check 2 to n by 2 if there's any number divisible. If yes, then I can add it. Like 2 divisible, so I'll take for loop I 2 to I less than equal to n by 2 एंड आई प्लस प्लस. तो इसका बीच में अगर कोई भी नंबर डिविजिबल होगा, लाइक इफ एन, सॉरी, yeah, number is n modulo I equal to 0. If divisor, that's when I need to add the divisor sum plus equal to I. So and check directly return sum equal to n. If it is true, then it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. So third question also done. Question 3, perfect number. There's a one sum variable. I need to check the sum equal to 0, or you can say sum equal to 1. Can always any number is divisible by 1, so I'll not check for 1 again and again. I less than equal to n by 2 maximum divisor I plus plus. If any number n modulo I, ঠিক আছে তাহলে আচ্ছা, just 1 minute. So it is the perfect number. Already the sum equal to 1. So for I equal to less than, and why does sum equal to 1? Because it is also divisible by 1. So you must also see this one video, must be. Don't miss it. This video. Of now next goes to the next number. Perfect number done. Prime number done. Strong number done. The next number is Armstrong number. Armstrong. So what does mean Armstrong number? First, always take one example, and it is one of the most important number or concept for the loop, for the interview also. Got it? Like I'm taking an example. Example 153. 153. Or you can search in the Google also what is Armstrong number. Always I can also remember. It's happening, don't worry. But you should remember because it is related to your placement. So I'm taking one example 153. So how many actually digit present here? Digit, total digit. Count first digit. The total number of digit. Total digit, how much? 3. So every take every digit. First digit, second, third. So 3, 5, and 1, and power must for getting 3. Why for 3? Because what is your total digit? Total is 3, then power should be 3. 3 for 3, 5 for 3, 1 for 3. 3 for 3, 27. 5 for 3, 125. And 1 for 1. And you can add it total 153. The original number 153, again you got the 153. So it is Armstrong number. Let's talk about one more example. Like, I forgot one example, 16 something. 1634. 1634. The total digit, how many total digits? Total is equal to 4. So every, it will be multiplied 4 times. So every digit, I can say power will be 4. For the every digit, take 4 first. 4 power 4. Then 3 power 4. Then 6 power 4. And then 1.1 power 4. If you can add it, it will be become 1634. And the sum is same. Sum equal to the original number. So it is the Armstrong number. So for the Armstrong number, first what actually you need? Step 1. Understand one by step 1, we need to do count. Count digit. Count number of digit. Count digit or number of digit. Number of digit. और मुझे जो डिजिट है उसका मतलब अगर डिजिट 4 है तो हर डिजिट का पावर कितना होगा 4. And you can found the power function, uh, or you can write your power function also. So first count number of digits. Suppose total digit, I am getting the total digit. Total digit. So I'm storing variable total digit. Okay. Total digit. Now step 2. Step 2, for each digit. I need to calculate for each digit. First understand the logic or flow. For each digit, I need to calculate each digit. Calculate. Calculate. Calculate the digit like for the 5. So I am taking this one digit, this one, this one, this one. Or I can say this digit, this is this. For every digit, I need to find digit, find digit for total digit. For I need to find total digit for every digit. And this sum I need to store. There's a sum plus and step 3 or step in the 2, find and added sum. And the last step 3, just check if my sum equal to my original number, if or return directly, return if sum equal to original. If it is original, then it is return true, otherwise false. Now let's write the code. It will be understand more better. First step 1, count digit. Like n equal to 1, 2, 6, 7. So I'm writing one count or total digit. Anything variable you can do it. तो टोटल डिजिट आई एम राइटिंग टोटल डिजिट पहले से ही क्या पहले बार जीरो रख दिया. अब देखो इसमें डिजिट है नहीं है कैसे पता चलेगा. अगर इसमें जीरो नहीं है एन का जीरो है नहीं है तो एक डिजिट है. फिर मैं इसको कैंसिल आउट कर दिया. कैंसिल आउट करने का तरीका पहले बोलता है एन बाई 10 करोगे तो लास्ट डिजिट कैंसिल हो जाएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि उससे 126.7 एंड वो नंबर इंटीजर होते. तो और पाइथन के लिए एन मॉड्यूलो 10 करना ए वाला. पाइथन में क्योंकि ये फ्लोट डिवीजन होता है या इंटीजर डिवीजन. पाइथन में भी ख्याल रखना. तो एक बार चला गया. एक मुझे मिल गया. फिर से नंबर है यस तो मैंने काउंट 2 कर दिया. फिर से घटा. फिर से नंबर यस काउंट 3 कर दिया. इसका घटा दिया. फिर से नंबर 1 तो फिर बढ़ा दिया. फिर इसका घटा दिया. अब क्या बचेगा 0. कोई नंबर है नहीं है तो मेरा टोटल डिजिट कितना है 4. तो 4 मिल गया. तो 4 मिलने क्या करो मैं व्हाइल मैं लूप चला रहा हूँ. कब तक जब तक n नॉट इक्वल टू 0 होता है. अब उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है काउंट प्लस प्लस काउंट मीन टोटल डिजिट. टोटल डिजिट प्लस इक्वल टू 1 और प्लस प्लस and also n by equal to 10. The first part is done. Now second part I need to find for each digit. So each digit n equal to 1634. First I need to take 4. So how can get n modulo 10 and until how much जब तक मेरा नंबर जीरो ना होगा जब तक एक एक नंबर रहेगा. If present any number I need to iterate. So while loop n not equal to 0. Step 2. First take the digit and the what will be the digit? Digit equal to n modulo 10 and need to find power. So p equal to there is one function power function. It is available in C, C++, Java, Python, any language. Power equal to digit And time constant for function is log n actually, not big of n, digit comma total digit. Or you can write your also for function, and I need to check the sum added in the for added sum. And also if like 1634 is done, I need to cancel out. How can cancel? By 10. And in the last, and the here you can see n not equal to 0, मतलब n यहाँ पे 0 हो जाएगा, तो इसलिए मुझे और एक वेरिएबल लेना पड़ेगा जो org इक्वल टू n होगा. रिटर्न सम इक्वल टू org. अगर ट्रू हो गया तो ट्रू रिटर्न कर देगा, नहीं तो फॉल्स. लेट्स राइट द कोड. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द लॉजिक, राइट डाउन इन द कमेंट. अगर ऐसा और भी वीडियो चाहते हो कमेंट में लिख दो, कोई भी स्पेसिफिक कंपनी का और कंपनी वाइज क्वेश्चन एनी. ना आर्मस्ट्रांग नंबर, इट इज क्वेश्चन 4. Armstrong number. First, you need to take input, blah blah blah. I am taking input in. You should know the logic always, not the code. Actually, you can write the code if you know logic the better. So focus on the logic, not the language. You can write if you know logic properly. You can write in the C, C++, Java, Python, any language. You just need to know the syntax. Or Armstrong number. Okay, I need to check one sum equal to 0, and there's a one variable org equal to n. Why? Because I am taking first step 1. The step 1 find total number digit, total or count, actually count total number of digit. So while n not equal to 0, count, or there's a one variable, you can take count or total digit. I'm taking total digit because क्लास शुरू से ही मैंने बोला total digit plus equal to 1, and n by equal to 10. And again n, it will become, again n's become the 0, so I need to take an again step 2. Now step 2, now calculate. मुझे क्या calculate और find for of is digit, total digit. Step 2, मुझे find करना for every digit. For loop, you can write for loop, not for loop, while loop, for every digit. When it comes to the digit number, you should write the for loop, सॉरी while loop. जब ये ऐसे डिजिट होगा ना, हर एक डिजिट में इटरेट करना है, तब ऐसा while loop लगाना पड़ेगा. और एक एक डिजिट कैसे मिलेगा? डिजिट इक्वल टू n मॉड्यूलो 10. तो इसमें क्या डिजिट मिल जाएगा, और उस डिजिट का मुझे पावर फाइंड करना है, पावर p इक्वल टू, और डायरेक्टली तुम ये भी कर सकते हो सम प्लस इक्वल टू पाव डिजिट कमा टोटल डिजिट. And once find for one digit, you can directly n by equal to 10. Now just return org equal to sum. Just return. If it is equal, then it will true. Otherwise false. False means it is not a Armstrong number. So till now I covered 4 types of number. Next number. If you have any doubt, just comment down. If you understand, also comment down. If you need any kind of like company question, related company question, any company OA or anything, just write down a specific company question solving video. Now, next question. Palindrome. One of the most important palindrome number. Most important you can see. And the strong number and perfect number actually in Accenture 2024 actually आया था. मेरा में शायद परफेक्ट नंबर आया था. बहुत इजी होता है, तो देखना पड़ेगा. तुम लोग तो वीडियो में तो कर दिया, अच्छे से देख लेना. और कोई डाउट हो तो कमेंट डाउन. Palindrome number. Okay, first you need to understand the concept of palindrome number. तो पैटर्न नंबर एमन एक नंबर, एक ऐसा नंबर जो सामने से रीड करोगे, रीड सेम. इफ यू रीड द front side or back side, it is always the same. Or you can say like 1 to 1. If you read 1 to 1 and here also 1 to 1. Same. So that is a palindrome number. Or you can say if take one number 1 1 like 1 3 3 1. That is the original number you have. Now reverse this number. If you reverse, then it will be like a 1 3 3 1. Both are equal or not? Both are equal. So that is palindrome number. So palindrome number directly related to a reverse. और यू कैन से कोई भी चीज अगर सामने से रीड करेगा जो होगा पीछे से रीड करना सेम होगा और उसका रिवर्स भी सेम होगा पीछे से रीड करना सेम मतलब कि उसका रिवर्स सेम होगा सामने से तभी तो पॉसिबल होगा वही होते हैं पैरेलल नंबर तो पैरेलल नंबर किसको बोलते हैं पहले बात स्टेप वन क्या मुझे फाइंड करना है रिवर्स फाइंड रिवर्स एक बार रिवर्स फाइंड हो गया फिर मुझे चेक करना है मेरा जो रिवर्स इक्वल टू जो मेरा नंबर था जो मेरा ओरिजिनल नंबर था अगर इक्वल हुआ तो पैलिंड्रोम अदरवाइज नॉट पैलिंड्रोम तो जो पैलिंड्रोम नंबर बहुत इजी है अगर किसका रिवर्स नंबर आता है रिवर्स कैसे करते हैं तो स्टेप वन आई विल से फर्स्ट रिवर्स हाउ वी कैन डू रिवर्स now it will become the concept of reverse number so do the reverse concept and the reverse code actually you must know like if a number n equal to 1 2 2 1 so for the reverse the simple logic you can write reverse equal to 0 while n not equal to 0 just take the last number the remainder take the remainder n modulo 10 and the reverse equal to rev into 10 plus remainder multiply 1 by 1 and remainder and once you take this just cancel out equal to 10 and check now check return original equal to n original equal to my reverse if it is yes then palindrome otherwise not palindrome question find palindrome number. So one of the easiest number reverse and there's a n number n input and taking original equal to n because I need to write while loop and the reverse logic. Reverse logic is too easy logic n modulo 10 and rev equal to rev into 10 plus remainder and n by equal to 10 and now return the reverse equal to what the padding number done. Now next number is Harshad. If you understand till now, just write comment down. I have understand. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment also. ये बहुत important है हर्षद नंबर अब तुम्हें देखना हर्षद नंबर लाइक टेक वन नंबर n equal to 18 so sum of digit take sum of digit तो इसमें कौन सा डिजिट है 1 and 8 तो sum 1 plus 8 how much n now the sum of digit divisible by this 8 modulo 9 it is divisible yes divisible by 2 9 18 actually divisible by 9 equal to 0 you can say और 18 को 9 से डिविजल होगा और डिविजल 2 होता है तो अगर डिविजल हुआ तो होता है हर्षद नंबर अदर इज नॉट गॉट इट लाइक एग्जांपल 1 equal to 35 so sum of digit how much 8 actually 8 divisible by 35 8 or 35 is divisible by 8 not so it is not Harshad number so for the Harshad number you need to take sum of digit you need to find sum of digit find sum of digit so step 1 find sum of digit how can find sum of digit like if n equal to 1 2 3 4 first you need to take 4 and then cancel out first how you can take the last number just remainder equal to n modulo 10 you have take the 4 and sum means added remainder and one you have take this number you need to cancel out n by 10 until you cancel until the number becomes 0 so while n not equal to 0 so done and then check or you can directly return or you can check if n modulo, sorry, the number original, you need to original by or modulo sum equal to 0. If 0, that's mean true. Harshad number return true, else false. So I'm writing the last code of this video. If you find any difficulty, you can write in the comment box. Or if you have any doubt or anything, or you can connect me directly also. For n equal to number, we need to find the sum. Sum equal to 0 and while, and there's a one original number you need to take over g equal to, as I'm running the while loop until n becomes 0, so it will become 0, so I need to take one extra variable to store the original number or n. So sum, or directly you can give the sum also in n modulo 10, directly sum and n by equal to 10 and return. Directly you can take return, but if you don't understand this one, org modulo sum equal to 0, then return true, else return false. So done. So the all types for number, actually prime number, done. Armstrong number, done. You should know because it is important for the placement also, your interview, and as well in the coding exam. Then strong number, then perfect number, and strong perfect palindrome. Also Harshad. और किसी कोई डाउट है तो बोलना. Okay, let's see you in the next video.